Suppose you have a shop and you want to calculate the price of each bubble milk tea glass. The first thing, we need to create a table where we list all of the ingredient, the amount we are buying from the market, in which unit and what is the price. For example, in this case, I'm going to buy black tea in 1 kg packing with $5 price for each 1 kg. Maybe you are buying in 20 kg packing. Whatever the price, you just need to enter those price in the table. And same for all of other ingredient. For example, milk I'm going to buy in liters, sugar in kg, and we can ignore certain parameter as well if they have a very low price. In this case, for example, ice, 30 kg ice is only $3, but you can ignore this price by simply inputting zero price. But if you want a more accurate price, simply put a very negligible price as well. And the last one is cup liquid straw. I'm going to buy this in units. Let's say 100 units pack is only $20. So this is how I need to enter all of the ingredient detail along with the price and the quantity unit. Now we need to create two more helper column, and this is very important. For example, in preparing bubble milk tea glass, we are going to input sugar in gram, milk in liter, and we only need to use one straw for each of the glass. So the first thing, we need to convert all of the actual quantity in our unit base price quantity. If I click on E2 cell, I simply convert the kg price into gram price. And same for the milk, same for the sugar, ice, and for the cup, I use a very simple formula. Simply divide total price divided by the total unit. And this is how we create the first table. Now you can input more rows and more column if your product has many ingredients. The next thing, we need to create another table on new sheet, and this table will list all of the ingredient. What is the amount needed to prepare a one single glass? And now how to calculate the price of each of the ingredient for a single glass? I use a very easy XLOOKUP function. If I delete this function for now and I simply click on D2 cell, equal XLOOKUP function, open parenthesis, click on formula bar now. What is the lookup value? I want to look up ingredient, hit comma. Where you want to look up, go to price list table. I want to look up in column A. I will assign some blank row as well. And I want to get the result from unit price. Make sure the ranges are the same, otherwise function will not work. Close parenthesis, hit enter. Now this is how we get the price of each of the unit. Now what I need to do, I need to multiply this price with the total amount needed and hit enter. So this is how we calculate our base price. Now for example, in your shop, you are going to decrease the milk and increase the black tea. Let's say I'm going to decrease the milk 100 ml and I want to increase the black tea, let's say 100 gram. Each and everything is dynamically calculated and you get the base price of each of the glass without any electricity cost, without any shop cost, labor cost, and many other costs. We just ignore those.